Welcome to Alayute Health Essentials. Today, we're diving into 27 evidence-based health and nutrition tips that can transform your life. These aren't just trends, they're backed by science and easy to implement into your daily routine. Let's get started. 1. Limit sugary drinks. Cut down on sodas and sweetened teas. Opt for water, unsweetened tea, or coffee to avoid the hidden sugar trap. 2. Eat nuts and seeds. Snack on these powerhouses packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. They even lower your risk of heart disease. 3. Avoid ultra-processed foods. Say no to packaged cookies, chips, and frozen meals. These calorie-packed options harm your health and are low in nutrients. 4. Don't fear coffee. Good news for coffee lovers. Moderate intake, 3 to 4 cups daily, can reduce the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and diabetes. 5. Eat fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3s that fight inflammation and support brain health. 6. Minimize sugar intake. Added sugar sneaks into almost everything. Keep it below 10% of your daily calories for better heart and metabolic health. 7. Limit refined carbs. Refined carbs like white bread and sugary snacks spike your blood sugar and can lead to overeating. Choose whole grains instead. 8. Use extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle this heart-healthy oil on your salads or meals for anti-inflammatory benefits. 9. Eat whole eggs. Don't ditch the yolks. Eggs are a great source of protein and nutrients and don't harm your cholesterol levels. 10. Use herbs and spices from turmeric to ginger. Add flavor and health benefits to your meals with a variety of herbs and spices. 11. Stay hydrated. Water is life. Drink enough to stay energized and keep your body functioning optimally. 12. Get enough sleep. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to improve your mood, metabolism, and energy levels. 13. Avoid charred meats. Grilling is fine, but avoid burning meat to reduce cancer risks from harmful compounds. 14. Avoid artificial trans fats. These man-made fats, often found in fried foods, are linked to heart disease and inflammation. 15. Get moving. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly. Cardio is great for burning harmful belly fat. 16. Lift weights. Strength training improves muscle tone, burns calories, and enhances insulin sensitivity. 17. Avoid bright lights before sleep. Block blue light from screens at night to help your body produce melatonin and improve sleep. 18. Practice meditation. Calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your overall wellness with this simple practice. 19. Track your food occasionally. Logging your meals can help you understand your eating patterns and make healthier choices. 20. Feed your gut. Bacteria. Support your gut health with fermented foods like yogurt and fiber-rich options like fruits and veggies. 21. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-packed foods lower the risk of heart disease and boost overall health. 22. Take vitamin D. If you don't get enough sunlight, consider supplementation to boost immunity and bone strength. 23. Nurture social relationships. Strong connections with friends and family can enhance both your mental and physical health. 24. Get rid of excess belly fat. Focus on reducing visceral fat through a high-protein, fiber-rich diet and regular exercise. 25. Avoid restrictive diets. Ditch the fad diets and embrace a sustainable, whole food lifestyle for long-term results. 26. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Cutting harmful substances like tobacco and alcohol can significantly boost your health. 27. Focus on progress, not perfection. Adopt 1 or 2 healthy habits at a time. Over time, they'll add up to big changes. That's a wrap on today's 27 tips for healthier living. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see incredible changes over time. Let us know in the comments which tip you're excited to try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based health hacks. See you next time.